Hey, Don Copeland here, and we're going to talk to you about something really important today. We're going to talk to you about what are the important components to keep on hand to keep your printer up and running, okay? It's not worrying about warranty stuff or anything like that. This is the spare tire for your car. You wouldn't think of going somewhere without a spare tire, so don't start your DTF business. Don't get your printer in without finding out what components you really need to have in case you ever need to repair or replace something. Deal with the warranty stuff after the fact, okay? Real quick, we're going to go through these things, and if you need more detail, you can reach out to us and we'll share with you. First off, down here, these are pumps. Pumps are relatively inexpensive for these machines, but there's a lot of them in the machine. This is a 4-head machine. We have 4 different pumps. These are your waste pumps that are actually going to be used to draw out the waste ink when we do head cleanings. I would have, general rule, if your machine has 2 heads, I would have at least 1 pump. If your machine has 4 heads, have 2 pumps. Never fails, right? Be safe. Here on the side, and here, you'll see this is a white ink circulation pump. There are 2 of them because there's a 4 head. So we have 2 heads of white, 1 for each head. Again, same rule. You got a 2 head, have 1 extra pump, circulation pump. You have on this actually, there's only 1 per head. So you have 1 for either a 2 head or a 4 head. Right up here, we have the stir motor for your white. If your machine has got a white ink stirring and circulation system, keep one of these motors around. All these parts I'm talking to you about so far, these are inexpensive parts, all right? So keep one of those around so when it goes down, boom, you're popping it in, you're ready to go. Come back in here. The dampers, these are the dampers. These machines with the i3200 heads, they're going to have 4 dampers per head. This is a 4 head that has 16 dampers. At least keep 8 of them, all right? If you have different dampers, some machines have different dampers for the white and the color. Keep a set of 4 for the color, a set of 4 for the white. Move this over here real quick, show you some other important components. These 4 items right here, these are cap tops, all right? In this case, we have 4 heads, we have 4 cap tops. I would keep at least 2 for this machine, all right? If it's a 2 head, you can just keep 1. These are the wipers, also called scrapers. 4 head, in most cases, are going to have 2 wipers. Again, keep at least 1, doesn't hurt to keep 2. I'm going to break you on this. They're 15 bucks a piece. Keep a couple, all right? Again, something easy and quick to get you back up and running, all right? That's pretty much what you need inside of the machine. One other pretty important item, we'll step back here to the dryer, is the actual lamps on your dryer. Again, $15, $20 item. I would keep at least 1, maybe 2 around. And then again, if something happens in warranty, go ahead and replace it when the tech's talking to you, ship it back and get a replacement and put that into your emergency kit. Lastly, to say there's a couple things real quick that we aren't going to show you here on the machine. It doesn't hurt to have a couple of extra head cables, right? You never know, because if you're changing the head or working with the head, if you corrupt a head cable, $5 item and now you're dead in the water. So keep some head cable and a couple of connectors maybe for the ink lines and whatnot. But that's really it. One last thing, keep print heads. Get a print head. If you got a 2 head, keep 1 spare print head. If you have a 4 head, consider getting 2. A lot of reasons for that. Even if it's under warranty, boom, you're back up and running right now. And having done this for a little while, I've never seen the price of a print head go down. So you buy one now, the chances are it's going to be a little bit less expensive than it will be 6 months, 9 months down the road when you need it. So there you go. Quick list. I know it sounded like an auctioneer at that, but a quick list of items you really need to keep on hand to make sure that your business keeps running even when the machine needs some tender loving care. And techs can help you, but they can't make stuff be there right now.
All DTF printer parts and supplies can be found on ColemanandCompany.com.